How to make this amazing carpet on top of the plated dessert. It will be very good to use in plated dessert or to make it even on the cake or gâteau. It gives a nice presentation to any dessert. You can use peach or any type of fruit. What I'm doing, I have the peach with little water and I blend it with hand blender. Then I have the frame. I cover frame with plastic film and then I put into oven 100 Celsius for 5 seconds. I 1 2 3 4 5 5 seconds and you have exactly plain shape. Then I have 300 gram any juice, 30 gram sugar, 2 gram agar-agar. Make sure everything is cold, must be cold together. Then you reheat it in the stove, just boil for 2 minutes. You can use peach, you can use raspberry, you can use any type of dessert or puree, and you spread right and left to have like 2 milli of heist. You leave it 1 hour room temperature, it will cool down and you have this fantastic shape. I use one time with peach, one time with raspberry, and you can do whatever flavor you want. Here we go. Sugar 30 gram, 300 gram puree, 2 gram agar-agar. Just boil it. This is the secret. Boil it for 2 minutes. Then if you have seed, you have to strain. You pour into tray